Hi, it's Jody from 123 Minimize, and today we're going to be talking about simplifying the photos that are on your cell phone. If you're like me, you take a lot of pictures and videos of your kids every month. One thing that helps me is at the end of the month, I go through my phone and I delete duplicates or unwanted photos or videos. Then I actually load my videos onto an app that kind of puts them all together, and then I load that compilation onto YouTube in a private channel. And the reason I do that is because I want my kids to know where they can access their home videos. So the videos are labeled with the month and the year, and it's all the videos of that month smashed together. Also, I take the photos from my phone and I save them in a file marked the month and the year. And so I do that both in the cloud that we're using and in a photo printing website. With those photos of that month, I make a collage. And so it's one page, a 12 by 12 page per month of photos of my kids. So that reduces the amount of printing that I do and the amount of work that I do. Someday, if they want to access individual photos because, they're part of a collage, not individual photos, they'll be able to go on that platform and order whatever they'd like to order. If you have a lot of photos and videos on your phone right now, this task might take a few days to months. What tips do you have for photo and video simplification?